How you doing, man?
Good to meet you.
Right on. You as well. You as well.
Enjoying the ride so far?
Oh, having a blast, dude. Hell yeah. Kinley, how you doing, girl?
Yeah. Good, how are you?
How's the new seat? You liking it? Kind of a little adjustment, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I like the pants, Kinley. Yeah there, bro.
Dude, you want one?
Hell yeah, you got the right idea.
some-
Sexy lady. How you doing?
Good. Got my gray hairs.
You're doing so good out there.
Good.
You're kicking ass.
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
You look great.
Thanks,
You should be happier we're in Oklahoma.
Exactly. Make it better.
sweet, huh? Yeah. I don't know if we're just stopping here to grab a beer. BJ, are we just stopping here to grab a beer, or?
That's where we're staying.
Okay, where are we staying at?
Are you guys staying at the Eklund?
What's that?
Are you guys staying at the Eklund at the Best Western? Okay, fuck, that's back down there.
Okay.
Shit.
It's all
Yeah.
good, bro.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you guys were stopping here to.
No, shit, I'll check in.
Oh,
Shit.
yeah. Now, are we going to Capitol in the morning?
Yeah.
Bitchin'.
Volcano in the morning, buddy. So,
Bitchin'.
Zoom in.
This is badass shit.
Running the rim.
Oh, okay. Here
2024.
It's right here.
Here we are.
No, right there.
Eklund,
Right.
Clayton, New Mexico.
There you go.
I would think
Harley
Hell yes. I hope this mic's working on this thing.
I know.
I don't have a lot of experience with this camera. It is a good camera for video.
That is perfect.
I don't know if it's recording us, but we're going to look good. Man, what a hell of a run, bro.
It was a good one. Yeah, when we left Boise City
How are
and we
ya?
went and moved up,
Good.
I was wondering if everybody was like, where are we going? Like,
Oh,
shitty
dude.
road and nothing but wide open plains.
Oh,
but it was a beautiful sky,
Dude.
And then when we hit the mesas,
Beautiful. Beautiful.
right?
I mean, my mind was just running, bro.
Yeah, was it?
Yeah.
Good.
Hey, bro.
Hey, Casey, get in here, Casey. Have
Yeah,
a seat.
Casey. Casey's a cool cat. I like him.
Casey.
He's
Casey,
just
say
got
hi.
a cool style to him.
He does.
He's got kind of a rock.
He
and
is. He's a
soft
rocker.
like vibe thing.
He's my hot boy. No, I always tell everybody, like, I got the hottest mechanics. JJ and
He is-
Casey, they're hot
He
boys.
is a good looking kid.
Yeah. Then you throw Jay in the mix. He's the Spanish lover. So you gotta watch.
No.
You know? Are you going on the patio? All right. I'll be out there.
So your two guys right there, your two mechanics, right?
Casey, and then JJ just, I think JJ just stepped outside.
Okay. Now, has Stacy come up and introduced himself to me?
Yeah, cool.
Now, who's that guy again?
Stacy?
Yeah.
Hale.
Okay, that's right.
He's a
He
good
did,
dude.
he did the video on what to pack.
Yes. Stacy's a great guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, love Stacy.
Okay.
That's a good dude right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Throw the camera on him. Get some.
I told him I was going to.
Interview him, man. Get
Tomorrow
some-
night, I gotta pack my better video, my interview camera better, so I can reach in and pull it out easier, you know?
Yeah, that's cool. There's Barty. So Bartlett.
Dude.
So this is Braden Bartlett. He's a tattoo artist.
Braden, how you doing, man?
Dave Goodwin.
Dave, nice to meet
Judy
you.
Goodwin, his wife.
Hi, nice to meet
And then you got the other hot boy over there, Trent. He's the other tattoo artist at Blue Light.
Oh, right on.
So these guys are gonna do. I talked to them about doing run to the rim tattoos, just only for the people that
Badass.
have gone on the trip.
Badass, dude.
You guys got a schedule with them, come to Hayes, and
Shit, yeah.
get
You
a-
should
get
just
a
do it at
tattoo.
your shop.
Yeah, they're going to. Yeah.
At your shop?
I don't know.
That'd be pretty cool.
It'd be easier. It'd be easier at your shop. Yeah, because of the licensing.
I like how they're
Oh,
rocking
very
their
good.
swag,
Okay.
dude.
Push jerseys.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, great
Check
ride,
fair
dude.
skin from the sun.
Yeah.
Hello.
Ricky.
You got company.
We
packed it
just
from where?
finished eating here. Where do you go?
Did Kinley kick ass today on her ride? She kicked ass, didn't
You're
she,
at the
today?
rooms?
Yeah.
No, it's turned
We're
off.
gonna end up making our way over there because that's where everybody's at.
Was it your bag that blew off?
No. No.
Was it somebody around you, guys up front?
What's that, Rick?
No, it was Chris. Yeah, it was an ST.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because there's
I know, it sounded like
there's
it
a
fell off
whole
twice.
group. There's
Oh,
a
really?
group going over to West Western.
Shoot. Yeah, ours slid over
So
to the
yeah, we were
side.
talking about meeting up.